Hello, fellow scientists. Hello, J. Marian. My name is Marcos G. Calios. I am from grade 3 Shadrach, and I'm gonna show you the reaction of baking soda and vinegar. First off, we need protective gear, these glasses, and hat and gloves. But first, we need the assistance of our parents, and we need to wear protective gloves and glasses. Also, we need to do the experiments outside. I need to go outside. But second, we need to know about vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar is used to make salads. It is a liquid and smells like sour. But baking soda is a powder. I will show you 3 reactions when we combine vinegar and baking soda. All we need to do is to mix the vinegar and the baking soda. Vinegar is an acid, baking soda is a base. It is the opposite of an acid. When an acid is added to a base, it will lead to the formation of salt and water molecules. For our second reaction, we need to use balloon, empty bottle, funnel, spoon, baking soda, and vinegar. This is what to do, but with the help of my father.
Hello.
You need a funnel and then a balloon. Stick it in. Pour baking soda inside the balloon. And then put vinegar inside the empty bottle. Close the vinegar and then put the balloon over the vinegar bottle. And then, voila! Mixing baking soda and vinegar will create a chemical reaction because one is an acid and the other a base. The reaction occurs once the vinegar is added to the baking soda. In this reaction, evidence of a chemical reaction is the formation of carbon dioxide gas and gas bubbles. For our third reaction, we need vinegar, baking soda, funnel, Ziploc plastic, spoon, and container.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
My dad is going to help me. So, solid baking soda was placed in liquid vinegar producing carbon dioxide gas, which is evident because of the formation of bubbles in the foaming mixture. In a closed container, the gas tends to go outside, which may cause of popping of the container.
Oh, this is gonna turn out really good. But if it doesn't turn out real, we're gonna do that again. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no.
Let's do it one more time. In this experiment, we need extra pressure outside to make the container pop because we use hard closed container. Thank you for watching the vid, guys. I hope you learned. Stay safe. Stay at home. Wash your hands. Bye.